Windows XP Startup Profiling. My Windows XP computer is suffering from slow boot times, and although I use the free Quick Startup utility to enable only the programs I want, I still need to know which programs take the longest time to start up, slowing down my entire boot time. Any profiling app available that lets me see how long each program takes to start up?
Windows Boot Analyzer. Bootlog XP is that you search for troubleshooting Windows boot up problems in Windows XP. Bootlog XP creates the new bootlog file and allows you to view it visually. Note, this isn't free.
BootViz may help if you still can download it.
WinBootInfo 1.01. Then WinBootInfo is the perfect solution for you. For only $14.95, 30-day trial is free. You will get the powerful system boot monitoring tool with following features included. Windows boot time logging. Detailed information about loaded drivers, applications, and system DLS. Each loaded system component is displayed on the detailed time mapped review of loaded processes sorted in time, with all belonging DLLs/drivers different times logged. Boot to login prompt, Explorer, Session Manager, detailed CPU utilization tracking during boot. Per every CPU core I/O activity tracking during boot, system interrupt/context switch tracking during boot. Text log generation and printing history feature, for comparing current with the past boot results.
Sperf, introduced with Vista, can do the profiling for you, even on Windows XP. It's also free. This article describes the basic steps, and contains instructions for deploying the WPT to Windows XP. The required steps to collect Sperf logs on XP/Vista are as follows. Download and AMP install the toolkit on a Vista/2008/Windows 7 machine. The latest version of the Windows Performance Toolkit is part of the Windows 7 SDK, which is a huge download. The following blog has the steps to download the bare minimum to get the WPT toolkit. This URL, the contents of the C:\program /files/Microsoft Windows Performance toolkit to a folder on Windows XP, or a USB memory stick. Turn off the No Execute or Execute Disable security option for CPU in the BIOS, or if you cannot find the appropriate BIOS setting, add the following switch to the boot.ini file. No execute equals always off, either runs bootmer from the command line, or use the Sperfview utility, which you can download from our Codeplex website. This URL, the resulting .edl file to the Vista machine to use the Sperfview GUID to open and app analyze it. If a user-end log is generated under %window%\debug\user mode, it can also be copied to correlate processes and app types.
If you watch the boot channel, please consider liking and subscribing.